Fetch is forecast to gain 2.5% by August 25 based on 30 rates update. But first, here's a quick overview of the current price movement. As of now, Fetch has increased by 1.8% in the last 24 hours and is hovering near $0.168. Time to explore what analysts foresee. 30 rates expects a move towards $0.1715 by August 25, which marks a gain of about 2.5%. Coin price forecast foresees Fetch moving up to 17 cents, a rise of approximately 1.6%. Traders Union highlights a potential move lower to $0.1655, a projected drop near 1.1%. A separate outlook from Coin Lore points to Fetch moving lower towards $0.1633, a projected loss of roughly 2.4%. And in closing Gov, Capital aims for $0.1556 by tomorrow, 7% lower than now. This forecast leads in return. We've reviewed 5 outlooks for tomorrow. Time to continue. After summarizing the forecasts, let's dive into the details. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a drop of 7% to an increase of 2.5%, depending on the analyst. To sum it up, Gov, Capital offers the highest forecast with 7% gain in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could collect between $11 and $70 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, Traders Union's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with a 94.7% chance of success. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with the consensus scenario. According to consensus analysis, Fetch might fall by 1.3%, nearing $0.1652. Here's the breakdown. Based on the consensus view, the price is expected to decrease by 1.3% by tomorrow. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 1.3%. On 1,000, this might result in a potential $13 return. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 94.2%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. An upward drive is anticipated by 30 rates. Meanwhile, coin price forecast frames the 3-day picture as bullish. Fetch is expected to continue moving higher, Traders Union also suggests. Coin Lore points to further weakness. Meanwhile, Gov Capital highlights a bearish short-term picture. By aligning the individual forecasts, the consensus indicates Fetch showing upward movement throughout the 3-day period. Looking at the full set of forecasts, most suggest Fetch will push higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we'll see how close they came. In the end, the daily session finished at $0.1666. With this move, only one forecast aligned with the actual direction. The most accurate forecast this round came from Coin Price Forecast. Let's put all the pieces in place. Yesterday's candle included 2 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but Traders Union topped the list. Here's the combined results. Every forecast tested and displayed. The stats for Traders Union show 48.4% forecast probability accuracy and 6.7% ROI. Pay attention to the table and notice who seems most in tune with the market. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Fetch and others. In the profitability overview, Fetch holds 3rd place. An optimism forecasts 2.6%. This quick view includes 5 cryptocurrencies, and broader cross-asset forecasts are now live on my website. If Fetch is part of your portfolio or just on your radar, a like would mean a lot. See you in tomorrow's update.